Hello and good morning, ladies, this is yours truly, Uncle speaking, and in today's video I will show you some parcel from China. Maybe not China, but actually I'm guessing it's a Chinese company. However, they sent me a few bits and pieces to attach my GoPro to, and I will show you that. Okay, so guys, come on, stop. They've asked for review, but I won't be cheating, I won't be lying, I will just give you an honest review. I've asked specifically for those 3 attachments because I find it interesting. They are basically GoPro holders, and I think I will find a decent use for that. So I got 3 plasticky things which are, okay, so you can just do this and that. Let's get rid of those and that. So we've got one, and now this is something else. Now let me tell you a few words about that. The company is called HSU. It's not that easy to recognize, is it? Let's start with the good things. So first of all, we got this, and that to me on a website it looked rather terrible, because it looked like a massive big thing, but in the meantime it's really small. So it won't look ridiculously bad if you will attach it to your classic bike or something like that. It will be reasonably good. It will look reasonably good on your classic bike. Also, what's important here is you've got a soft fabric here inside, so you won't scratch your frame, handlebars and whatnot. You know what I mean, right? Well, this is rather small for that, however, you never know, you know? Let's forget about it, shall we? Now, when you fix your camera, and this is, let's say, on your handlebars, you can basically rotate your camera whichever way you prefer. Let's imagine you've got it on your handlebars, and now you're recording something in front of you, and then you want to record yourself. Normally you would need to turn your camera and do some stupid tricks, and here you can just rotate it, and here I am recording myself, right? Then another rotation, ta-dam, and I'm recording the road again. So, this is really good. I think I will find a use of it. Now, let's talk about quality. The quality of that is really good. Actually, I'm impressed. This is all aluminium, no plasticky thing. It's got some small movement here, but actually, I think it will be stable on the bike. I don't think there will be any problem with that. There is just a slight, tiny movement. See? Can you see that here? Yeah, just tiny bit of movement, but nothing major. If you try to shake the camera, it's rather good. And I think this is really useful and good thing, right? So let's jump to another one, this one. See? Yes, you can probably see it now. Right, so now let's attach the camera to that. So, here we go. Now, why I think this thing here is really useful. Because actually, I think if you've got something like that, see, attached to your motorcycle, so then you can just rotate it and you can record at an angle. One angle, second angle, many angles. Thanks to that, obviously, you can become an angler. Don't think it works that way, but hey. Yeah, I think this is really useful with that, right? The quality is really good. No movements here. This is full made of aluminium. Again, no plastic whatsoever, so that should work really well. The last piece is this one. I thought you can attach it to the bike as well, because you've got the tripod mount here. Basically, that's the same bolt size as a tripod screw. You can attach your camera right here, this, again made of aluminium, really well made, except this one, I cannot bloody move it. There's no way I can move it, so I think if you would use pliers or something like that, it would move and then it would start to move. And then maybe it will work. However, for the moment it looks a bit stupid. Yes, I'm going to fix it in a garage. Pliers applied. So I think those rotational thingy things, they are really useful, right? You've got plenty of different companies selling those things on eBay and on AliExpress. If you want to be sure that you've got something slightly better made, if you are looking for something like that where you can rotate your camera, I would say this company, HSU, are making reasonably well made things. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, give me thumbs up and whatnot. You can also buy me a beer, the link is down there in the description. Thanks again, cheers guys.